Yes guys, it's Vishnu here, back with new video. So how you all doing? Hope fine and great. So just follow me and subscribe my channel and like my video. And please watch this video by the end, because in the end I will give you best tips which no one talks about. So let's get it started. Yes guys, so as you have already seen the thumbnail, so you know what this video is gonna be about. But you know, this video might be hurting somebody indirectly. So already I'm gonna clear this confusion that I really don't promote to be white, being white, or being brown is black, because me myself, before I was a dark, but now I'm a brown, and trust me, I have no desire of being white. How which color I am, I'm perfect. No matter which color you got, it's really God gifted, and just appreciate and just embrace, and you can improve it. But whatever color you have, just try to be happy with that. Now, as we all know, we Asian people, we have really big complex of being white. Really, all we want to do is just being white. And I know I am in this video, I'm not going to give big lecture about we shouldn't be white and this, that. All I'm trying to do, that try to fix your problem, because you can really enlighten your color by some home remedy. Whatever problem you have of your darkness, of your skin dullness, the problem is in your home kitchen, and by with some remedies which I'm going to tell you right now, you can solve all your skin problem whatever you got so far. So let's get started. Yes guys, so number one is egg. Egg works really wonder on your skin. It's really like a magic. That egg white, it has estrogen properties which shrink down your pore and tighten your skin and lighten your skin tone, and it's really make you white. It's really make you white. When you use it, then you will know. And to make a paste of it, what you have to do, just simply take 2 teaspoons of corn flour and whole egg white, and just mix it well, make it thick paste, and just wear it on your face, and just leave it for 15 minutes. And after then, just simply rinse off, and just keep doing it, and you can see the result so dramatically and so magnificently. The result, you will see it. That was number one. Number two is ripped banana with honey. All you have to do, take some ripped banana and grind it and make a paste of it. Then take simply 2 teaspoons of mixed ripped banana paste, then half teaspoon of honey, and then simply mix it. If you have butter, then you can add butter also. So I will suggest use butter. So simply 2 teaspoons of mixed ripped banana paste, half teaspoon of honey, and then half teaspoon of butter if you have it. Just mix it well, and then wear it on your face, and just simply leave it for 15 minutes, and just simply after then rinse off with cold water and see the magic. Third one is aloe vera with honey. So I don't have to, no one is unknown about aloe vera magic. Everyone knows the benefits of using aloe vera. It has it has numerous and various benefit. So I won't waste your time, my time, to describe what the benefit of aloe vera. You all know it. So simply take 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, half teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of honey, and simply mix it well, and just simply wear it, leave it for 15 minutes, and then rinse off. Fourth one is steam, facial steam. In this, what you have to do, simply boil the water with lemon and lemon peel. Listen, remember very, very carefully. Boil water with lemon and lemon peel. Okay, and after boiling, just keep this boiling water in bowl. Use any towel and take use that steam to bath your face. Take a steam bath. What it will do, that lemon steam, it will open your pore of face, and all whatever dirt is inside is stuck since long, it will come out, and your skin will be very bright and very lightened. Trust me, use this on daily basis, or twice or thrice in a week, and see the magic. Yes guys, last but not the least is fifth one, which is very simple. Simply you have to take olive oil and plus honey. Okay, now you might be wondering that some of you and most of you will have oily skin. So what to do with that? So those of you who have dry skin, use it the way I'm telling you. Those of you who have oily skin, for them simply add. Always remember, this is alternative. It's not a mandatory, it's alternative. If you want to do it, then do it if you have oily skin. The fifth one is olive oil and honey. Take one teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, mix it well and do massage of your face with this and see the magic. Always remember, whatever I told you so far, use it. Don't just use it once and expect result like surgery. Even surgery won't give you result. Even when you go to surgery, it's very expensive, 3 lakh 4 lakh rupees. Plus you have to do it session, first session, second session, third session, and that's not permanent. But this one is permanent. So remember that. Whatever I'm telling you, do it on consistency basis and see the magic. Yes guys, last tips which no one talks about. We people, what we think that only means we all know that sunlight causes being black, right? But when we stay in home indoor, we think that now we are not directly coming in touch of sunlight. So it's not that. It's not a matter of being in direct touch with sunlight or indirectly. I have noticed in winter, either you go out or not go out, you become fair. Or in summer, either you go out or not go out, you will be dark. Why is that? Even you stay indoor, if you stay in the place where it's hot, no matter you are coming in the direct touch with sun, you will be dark. So simply apply sunscreen all the time. Even when you sleep, you will be thinking that what is the need of sunscreen in night before sleeping. But trust me, use sunscreen before sleeping and you will notice that something has really magnificently has happened with you, and your skin will be very brightened and your skin tone will be very lightened. Just use it. Trust me, even those sunscreen company, those who are making this cream, they don't advertise them like wear it and you will be fair. Even you stay in home before sleeping or wherever, when you go out, definitely you have to do it. But even when you stay in home, try to use sunscreen, and trust me, you will come again back to my channel and you will say thank to me. Trust me. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you.